you go, the first grade. Basically, it's the first grade of the riders. This is what you want to watch. Here they go. They get them ready. They do 10 minutes of race time. Then it's one lap shootout. Here they go. Phew! They're into it. They're around the first corner. Oh, that's gone wide. Here we go. He's got the whole shot there. He's got the blue bike out in front. So 10 minutes of race time over the rollers. Blue ones just broke away a little bit. Oh, we've got a bike come off. There's two bike riders come unstuck. Yellow flags waving already. Over the double. They're back up and racing those bikes that come unstuck. Flying over the tabletop. And we'll find out where the front runners are. Here we go, out in front. He's got a nice lead on up to the Powerline Hill. Across the top. We'll see if we can get the numbers as they come down. Here we go. See out in front. Well, 304. 304 is flying. 304, that's Dominic Wilson. 29's there as well. So Dominic Wilson well out in front. Dom. Oh, Dom's flying over. Phew. Second place, that's 52. Second place, 59 or 52. Aaron Parker or Thomas Jordan. There's two 59s there. So, Dommy's out in front, ripping it. I think that's Dommy's first race back in ages. Oh, he's loving it too. See how I got down here. Dom's dad. Josh got me on the Morgsy. And up at the top of the Powerline Hill. Coming down over. He ripping in, he's not letting anything go. Look at him fly. Woo, over the finish line there. Wow, 304. 304. So Dom out in front. Dom's your boy?
Yeah.
Yes, he's flying. He is indeed. So Dom's first race back in ages, and look at him go. Heard a lot about him. Talent. He's ripping it. Second and third just coming in the view now. Second, 59. I think that is 59. I've got two 59s on my sheet. Second, third, flying over there. They've broken out a bit of a gap there. So, Wilson coming around, gets down near the 5-minute mark. Screaming. Woo. Oh, hey, Wilson's got a big gap on there. Here come the next riders now.
Can you open this? Thank you.
You just see the gap there Dom has got happening.
Thank you.
Blake Nabi comes second, third. The other riders coming down, 208 past commentary box now. 208 there is. There's your leader, Dominic Wilson. Good battle there for second and third. Stay with second and third there. Under 5 minutes of race time to go. Comes second and third. Oh, third might have jumped in. That's 29, 59. Good battle there between 29 and 59. Oh, which camera is it, that one? Oh, I haven't got a 29, I've got a 59. Aaron Parker and Thomas Jordan. I think it could, we'll just say 29, 59 could be Parker and Jordan. Or is he on the top sheet there? See Wilson just overtaken one of the back runners up the top. So second place coming down. Here he comes now past the commentary area now. Here he comes, that's 29. 29 followed by 59. So 29 is no one. He's not on my sheet 29, but he's flying. We're getting down to the last, pretty much the last lap stages. Minute and a half to go. Let's give them to you as they come past me. 45, 327. 34, 232, 308 coming past. There's 304. There's your leader. So your leader's just going around Cemetery Corner now. Oh, Tom Wilson screaming. So we're getting up to the last lap stage here. Over the rollers goes the leader. Second and third coming around the outside of the bend there now. Here they come. It's a good little battle between second and third. They've had a good battle all race. Coming on the, I reckon this will be the last lap coming up. Last lap flag's up now, so 59, 29. 59 out in front, second spot. There's your leader going up the power line hill. Big gap on the second and third. Screaming. There's Dom Wilson on the last lap now. Here he comes. Oh, it's a checkered flag, so they just get 10 minutes. There it is. Second and third coming in now. Bang. Oh, close finish, second and third. Fourth. Now we do know the winner there. First race back in quite some time. And he smashed it, Dominic Wilson. He was a bit nervous coming out. He hasn't been racing for a while. His dad told me he was a little gun. And he blitzed it. So that's race one of the it's round one of the MX1 Opens, A, B and C. So there's different classes there. So I'm not 100% sure on how it all works. Coming up next, we're going to have the 50cc Division 2. 50cc Division 2 is what's the next race. There he is there on my list, so a couple of riders in this one. Might be able to bring you some names.